Unfortunately, I already did a video on this, the opening. Unfortunately, when I went to download it, it was corrupted, so I'm redoing it. This is a Craftsman headlight. Isn't that cool? Headlight. And this is chargeable. You just plug it into your computer or any USB, and it'll charge it up. Initial is, I believe, about four hours to get it to charge, and that's what it did. And it has four light modes. This is your regular. It's putting out 500 illuminance. You have an adjuster here, so you can get full flood or right on it. And then next one is a medium, not quite so full. The time on that in low is 6 hours, and then your high, you get an hour, and you do. And the minute it does, once you've lost your high, once you've used up all your high, it'll automatically drop down to your low, so you're not going to lose light completely. Your fourth, when you hit it immediately, it'll automatically go through its different phases. There's you have a red light mode for night, and then you can do a flash. You hold it, and now you have a complete flashing mode as well. So that's your number 4 mode. And then not only by adjusting it, but if you go immediately, you can go through all your modes. If you just go your 1 and it stays on for a couple of seconds, now when you hit it again, it'll turn it completely off. So if you immediately click through it, you'll be able to click through all the modes. And if you're on 1 for a couple of seconds, then just click it, it'll just turn it off. Again, the adjusting beam. The nice thing about it, I like it, is I can plug it into my computer, I can leave it charging. You're going to have blinking red lights when it's charging. And then once it's fully charged, they'll stay solid red. This runs, what I paid, I believe I paid $24 on it. Once it's on your head, you also have the option of being able to adjust your distance on it. I've got a small head, so even all the way down, I can't use it just blindly on my head. So I wind up putting it on my hat, and it works really well. I turn it around. Now I don't have my lip in the way. And then I'm able to adjust it down. No hands. Great. And it's got a one year limited warranty. And again, it's a Craftsman, so they're a good name. And I've been using it quite a bit, and I'm happy with it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Daniel Crosby's Tool Time.